Hello, and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today, I got this fabric softener, and it has a stain shield technology in it. It's good for colors. It's up to 35 loads, um, and it's a total different brand I've never tried before. And so I got a huge sample of it. The bottle is really big. And then I got a $2 coupon off of some 7 generation laundry soap. And I love this brand. I wish I could afford it more. But I usually only end up using the samples. However, if I know anybody that could use the coupon, or if my friend is going to the store, I'll probably have her just put it near the laundry soap, um, so somebody else can eventually use it. But this is the samples that I got today, and um, I guess I've got a lot of fabric softener, which I don't use a whole lot of, but so this will last me quite a long time. K-Bear's upset because it wasn't packaged for her. Neither one of these packages were for her. And we are supposed to be getting a lot more snow tomorrow. We're supposed to be hit pretty hard, I guess, from what my manager had said. So we are definitely going to just what we call snuggle wuggles. And we are going to stay under covers and or be covered up when we're moving about. And yeah, she's over here just pouting because, like I said, none of these were for her. But everybody stay warm if you're in a cold state. Stay cool if you are in a hot state. And as always, may God bless you to overflowing, and may He always keep you safe. Bye for now.